Welcome back, guys. It's now time to show you how to gloss your bear. Your bear is now beautifully marbled and dry and ready to bring back its shine. And that is what our included gloss is for. So in the kit, you get 2 bottles of the gloss, you get a pair of gloves and an apron to keep yourself protected, as well as a plate to make sure that your table is protected from the gloss. Now, when you open up the gloss, you will notice that they have a safety lid. So we'll go ahead and have to peel off the lid and then put the lid back tightly onto the bottle. Because the next step, like with our paints, is to shake up your gloss just a wee bit. I'm just gonna shake it for like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 second. That's it. Now we're gonna open up both of our glosses and then it's time to gloss our bear. So I'm going to once again grab my bear by one ear, then I'm gonna keep gloss free until the very end. I will grab my first bottle of gloss, and like we did with the paint, I'm just gonna start at the top of the bear and then slowly move down left and right, going over the legs and going over the arms, making sure that I get my gloss absolutely everywhere. And then I will repeat the same step on the back side of the bear. So I'm gonna go all the way down, head to the legs and the arms. If your first bottle runs out, no worries, that's what you have the second bottle for. So just use your second bottle to cover the rest of the arms and the back. And then I will go ahead and use the rest to go over the ears as well as the top of the head of your bear. And make sure that I hit all the spots of my bear with the gloss. And as you can see, gravity is pulling the gloss down, so that's why I was not super worried about the feet, because gloss is gonna come there anyway. And if you want, you can use a wooden spoon to scoop up the gloss from the plate if you notice that you missed any of the spots. So now that your bear is glossed, you need to let it dry for an average of 3 days. And if you want to move your bear and don't want to keep it on the plate with the gloss, all you have to do is use your gloved fingers, go underneath the ears, lift it up, and then just move it to its final drying place. Thanks so much for following our painting and glossing tutorial, and I hope you enjoy your core kit.